C# base keyword. What is the base keyword in C#? The base keyword in C# is used to access members, fields, methods, or constructors of a base class from a derived class. It is commonly used to call a base class constructor or to invoke a base class implementation of an overridden method. How to access the base class constructor. When you want to explicitly call a constructor of the base class from within a constructor of the derived class, you can write the code with the base keyword before the call of the constructor of the derived call. It will execute the base class constructor before the execution of the derived class constructor. Example. In the below example, we have fruit, parent class, which has a constructor with the name fruit, string name. We have inherited the fruit, parent class, with apple, child class. We also have an apple, string name, child class constructor that is inherited from the base class constructor with the base name keyword. How to access base class members. You can use the base keyword to access and call members of the base class, even if those members are hidden or overridden in the derived class. In the below example, we have fruit, parent class, that has a color field. We have inherited the child class apple with the parent class fruit, and with the base keyword, we are accessing the parent class member, color, in the child class apple. What are the advantages of the base keyword? Allows a derived class to use methods, properties, or fields of its base class. Helps initialize base class data when creating a derived class object. Enables using base class logic while extending or modifying behavior in the derived class. Reduces repeated code by leveraging existing base class implementations. What are the disadvantages of the base keyword? Overuse of base creates strong dependency between derived and base classes. Changes in the base class can directly affect derived class behavior. Makes code harder to understand in deep inheritance hierarchies. Excessive reliance on base may indicate poor inheritance design. Summary. You can access the members of the base class with the derived class by using the base keyword with the derived class. When you want to work with members from the base class, even if those members are hidden or overridden in the derived class, you can use the base keyword. Thank you for watching this C# base keyword tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.